1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is about to be insane. What's going on, everyone? My name's Roscoe and welcome to the channel. So this is the big 20,000 subscriber giveaway. 20,000 subscribers, man. Wow. It has been absolutely unreal. I barely had 1,000 this time last year, and just to see the growth in the community, you guys have honestly changed my life. It's been unreal, and to see how much my life has changed, and I really, from the bottom of my heart, I cannot thank you guys enough, and I'm excited. You guys have been enjoying the videos, and I just cannot wait to make better content here on the channel, make it more professional, make it more nice. It's been a really long and, hard work. It's not as easy as a lot of people think, working 9 to 5, and it takes about 3 to 4 hours to make YouTube videos a night. I'm super glad that people have been enjoying the videos. I am super excited for the future. For the support you guys have shown me, I am going to be giving away a pair of Yeezy sneakers. You guys can win a pair of Yeezy sneakers, and I'll have that details towards the end of the video. 6 pairs of sneakers that I need to unbox here on the channel, and most of these are all from Yeezy Day, and then the last sneaker at the end of the video will be the one that you guys can win. So without further ado, let's dive in. You good? You wide awake, bro? So handy dandy, whoop. Scissors, but here we go. Let's go. Let's dive into the first one. Like, these boxes nowadays are like super tight. So which one are these? Here are the creams, or triple whites nowadays. That's what they're calling them. Caught these on Yeezy Day. I never owned a pair of triple whites. I know. I've never owned a pair of triple whites. I like them. I've always thought they were nice, clean, nice, clean summer sneaker. Every time they dropped, I'm like, I don't really want to spend it on some all white shoes. I'd rather wait and cop another Yeezy. There's really not much to say about it. Super clean. But these look clean. These are clean. They're right. Box is nice. First pair. Clean, size 12. Next up. Now, I do want to also talk about, as far as plans that I have for the channel, expanding my live cop sessions and my streamings that we do on Thursday nights. That's sort of more professional. I'm filming this all in my bedroom, so I really don't have much room. I am in the process of thinking about moving, making a big step. I'm thinking maybe by the end of the year we will have an idea, but we're talking about out of state. So, all right, another one. Which one's this? Oh, 700. So these are the new 700s. I'm curious. Yeah, so these are the new Yeezy 700 Wave Runners that just released. They look exactly the same. They do look a little bit darker though. Maybe because I've worn mine out a little bit too much. Where are these from? India. Okay, so that's the big change. We found some new information out, because my pair that I have on feet is made in China, and the new ones are made in India. That's good. That's interesting. But as far as, I don't know, man. The suede is different. My older ones, look how worn out the suede is. This is a lot smoother. I don't know if I like it. I don't know. Interesting, but Wave Runners, got another pair. Nice. Yeah, so I do have a full-time job. I'm in a tough spot where, as far as living is concerned, I'm in a nice spot here. We have to move. It's been a crazy year, and as far as this whole YouTube thing is going, I'm going to SneakerCon events and stuff. It's absolutely unreal. And then I meet you guys at the SneakerCon. I was meeting people in San Jose that watch the videos. San Jose, California. But here's another pair of 700s. Pair of 700s, what are these? Another pair of Wave Runners. These are not my size. These are size 11, but I got these for someone. So another pair of Wave Runners. Again, let's see. Oh, made in China. So I have a pair made in India, and these ones are made from China. What the hell? 2 production facilities. They have one in India and one in China. Actually, I've seen them do a few pairs of sneakers, like the cream whites. They'll do the production at both sites. I didn't think they were gonna do this on the Wave Runner release. Let's check these out. Bane, you're not really being very helpful today. Okay, now we're mixing up a little bit, something different now. Pair of 500s. Let's see what these are. Ooh, these are nice. Ooh, utility black 500s. I love the 500s. I I recently did a sizing article for Farfetch. Go true to size or go a half size up. Nice clean shoe. I like these. I love the 500s to a sense where you don't really have to like care for them too much. Like you can literally beat these to the ground. And I think they look better. As you probably know, these are like sort of similar to Kobe's, like the old Kobe Adidas shoes. But the Utility Black is probably one of the better colorways. Bone White is releasing next week. I might have those early for you guys. We'll have to wait and see. So next one, these are, I know, are another pair of 500s. So I got 2 on Yeezy Day. Hopefully they do Yeezy Day every year. If you guys missed out, go check that stream out. These ones I've had these ones before. So these, again, another pair of 500s. And like I said, I had these, but I sold them. I really wasn't really a big fan of them. But yeah, now a pair of salts. Again, not too bad. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these, but this one probably the only one I might not keep out of all the ones I have. So, but now, you guys ready for the big Yeezy giveaway? So this is the pair of sneakers that I'm giving away to you guys. Again, you can just get them, win them, and then sell them. Ye did wear these recently. I'll give you that's the hint I'll give you. So here they are, pair of Yeezy 350s. These, my friends, I'm giving away a pair of Yeezy 350 V2 Lundmarks. This is the non-reflective, it's a size 12. You can win this pair of sneakers. Now,
how can you win it, Roscoe?
Well, all you have to do is go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel, follow me over on Instagram, and then down in the comments, just tell me what sneaker you are looking forward to, and then put your Instagram handle right next to it, and then you're in. The winner will be picked on my live stream at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So there you go. We're on the road. We're on the road probably to 30K, to 50K, and then who knows, maybe 100K by next year. But guys, that's my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.